Trey,
Okay, guys, this is the crime scene. This is the crime scene. Our dog murdered all of this candy.
Not all of it.
Nearly all of it.
You ate most.
Didn't eat most of it. There was a lot of fruity stuff. Oh, I can't zoom in on you. Dun, dun, dun. The camera doesn't focus very quick.
So, there's a hole at the top of the candy bag,
But that's where you put it in.
but he ripped out the side of it.
So he most likely just grabbed the side and just shook.
And also, there was a granola bar in here.
Oh yeah, show him what's left of the granola bar. It's over there. Yeah, so, you know, a good full-sized granola bar, okay? 2 bars. I'm not going to say which brand. But look at that.
He ate the whole wrapper.
Basically. The whole wrapper. So, yeah. We get to clean all this up.
So put your Halloween candy up high where your household pets cannot get it.
Or just eat all your Halloween candy. And this has been the end of the video.